Dharma Path presents Impermanence and Buddhism, understanding life's ever-changing nature. One of the central teachings of Buddhism is the principle of impermanence, known in Pali as anicca. It reminds us that everything in life is constantly changing. Our thoughts, our emotions, our bodies, our relationship, and even the world around us. Recognizing impermanence is not meant to make us fearful. Rather, it helps us live with greater clarity, greater freedom, and compassion. What does impermanence mean in Buddhism? Impermanence in Buddhism refers to the truth that all conditioned things, anything created by causes and conditions, are temporary. Nothing remains fixed or unchanging. A flower blossoms and then it fades. A mountain slowly erodes. Our bodies age and transform. Even our states of mind shift from moment to moment. The Buddha taught that clinging to the illusion of permanence leads to suffering. When we expect people, situations, or feelings to remain the same, we inevitably face disappointment. By understanding impermanence, we can begin to accept change as a natural part of life rather than resisting it. Impermanence and the path to freedom. Impermanence is not a negative teaching. It's actually the doorway to freedom. Because things are always changing, there is always something new. There is always something different. Pain and hardships are also impermanent. The challenges we face will eventually pass. The awareness of impermanence helps us loosen our attachment to things we cannot change. It encourages us to appreciate the present moment and approach life with a sense of gratitude. Instead of holding on tightly, we learn to let go and flow with the change. This insight connects deeply with another core Buddhist teaching: emptiness. Emptiness in Buddhism means that all things lack a permanent, unchanging essence. Impermanence shows us the constant change of phenomena, while emptiness points to their independent and fluid nature. Together, these teachings form the heart of Buddhist wisdom. Everyday reflections on impermanence. You don't have to be a monk. You don't have to be a scholar to reflect on impermanence. In fact, it can be observed everywhere in daily life. Impermanence in nature. The rising and setting of the sun. The turning of the seasons. The falling of the autumn leaves. Impermanence in relationships. Friendships evolve. Families grow. And people enter or leave our lives. Impermanence in our own minds. Thoughts and feelings arise. They'll stay for a while. Then they fade away. By paying attention to these simple truths, we can begin to see impermanence not as a threat, but as a teacher. The gift of impermanence. When we embrace impermanence, life becomes precious. We realize that every moment is unique and fleeting. This awareness encourages kindness toward others. It encourages patience during struggles. It can bring out joy in the little things that we often take for granted. Impermanence also helps us prepare for life's inevitable changes, including death. Instead of denying or fearing it, Buddhism teaches us to accept death as a natural part of existence. By doing so, we can live more fully in the here and now. Impermanence and mindful living. Mindful practice is one of the most effective ways to connect with the reality of impermanence. By paying attention to the present moment, our breath, sensations, our experiences, we begin to notice how everything is in constant motion. This direct awareness transforms that abstract idea of impermanence into lived understanding. Through mindfulness, we learn not to cling tightly or push away what arises. We cultivate a balanced, open-hearted approach to life. All right, to wrap things up, impermanence in Buddhism is not a grim reminder of loss. No, it's a profound invitation to live with awareness and compassion. By understanding that all things are temporary, we free ourselves from unnecessary suffering and are open to the beauty of each passing moment. When we bring together the teachings of impermanence and emptiness, Buddhism offers us a clear path to let go, to live fully, and to discover peace among the midst of life's ever-changing flow. For dharmapath.net, I'm Ted Vieira.